And on the investigation in the death case, breaking news now coming in, Riya Chakrabarti is going to be summoned again for questioning by the Enforcement Directorate tomorrow, that is Monday morning. And there could be many more people along with her. And Sushant's business manager, Shruti Modi, also seems to have been asked to appear for questioning. Divyesh Singh is tracking the investigation angle. He's joining me now live from Mumbai. Divyesh, so who else can be called apart from Riya? And that's big news if she's being called by the Enforcement Directorate. So what will specifically be on agenda for questioning if your sources are telling you?
Pooja, after the first round of questioning that happened on Friday last week, Riya Chakrabarti has been summoned again tomorrow by the Enforcement Directorate, and again she'll be questioned. Her statement would be recorded. There are multiple questions, multiple queries while the ED investigates, which needs to be answered by Riya and her family members. So Souvik Chakrabarti, who's her brother, who was questioned yesterday and was only allowed to leave at 6 a.m. this morning. He also has been called again. Indrajit Chakrabarti, their father, will also join investigations, and his statement will also be recorded. Other than that, Shruti Modi, who was also present on Friday for questioning, will be called again, and she'll be questioned regarding the business projects and companies that Sushant had floated, and what kind of investments were made, what kind of income that was coming through various businesses. That would be asked. Other than that, the project that Sushant was working on, that Shruti Modi had idea about, that will be asked. Other than that, creative content manager and a friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, Siddharth Pithani, will be joining investigations on Monday. So it is going to be a big day at Enforcement Directorate, while 4 to 5 key witnesses, key persons are going to be questioned, of which Riya, her father, Indrajit, Souvik, Shruti Modi, four have been named as accused in the case.
Yes.
While Siddharth Pithani is a key witness, and his statement will also be recorded. That is what our sources tell us.
All right, Divyesh, you've been tracking since the past few days. So definitely with the Enforcement Directorate's entry, the controversy has definitely taken another turn. Keep tracking all the latest. Thank you very much for now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.